What's the meaning of bravura? Bravura. Bravura.
Bravura. Bravura. Bravura is a noun that refers to a brilliant display of skill or daring. It can be used to describe a performance, achievement, or action that is outstanding and impressive. When someone displays bravura, they are often showing off their abilities in a way that is bold and confident. This term is often associated with artistic performances, such as music or dance, where the performer showcases their technical mastery and artistic flair. Overall, bravura is a powerful word that conveys a sense of excellence and virtuosity.